Hi everyone, I'm Jen, and today I'm here with CryptoVantage to answer a question that is on the minds of millions of people. What is cryptocurrency? In today's video, we'll help you understand what cryptocurrency is, and we'll also teach you a little bit about the history of cryptocurrencies. If you find this video useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And before you go, leave us a comment down below asking your crypto-curious questions. If you're looking for more information on all things crypto, check out the other videos right here on this channel or head on over to CryptoVantage.com where you'll find tons of great resources, information, and breaking crypto news. We've been living in the digital age for a while now, but for some reason, money is still painfully analog. Enter cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is striving to do to money what the internet did to information. The biggest cryptocurrency of all, Bitcoin, has blown everyone away with its incredible price performance over the years. But did you know that in addition to Bitcoin, there are actually many different cryptocurrencies that offer different features? Most cryptocurrencies focus on replacing traditional fiat currency, such as the US dollar or euro, with an entirely digital form of money. The major breakthrough for cryptocurrency came with the invention of Bitcoin in the late 2000s. The Bitcoin peer-to-peer network utilized a technology called blockchain to validate all the transactions. It could create a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, that had value because it could not be cloned, duplicated, or otherwise fabricated. Every piece of Bitcoin was unique and limited with a total supply of 21 million coins. Blockchain was so ingenious that it spawned a whole industry of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. These coins offered an alternative to Bitcoin, so they're sometimes referred to as altcoins. The first altcoins, such as Litecoin, were very similar to Bitcoin, but programmers would later develop cryptocurrencies like Ethereum that have massive potential beyond just being used as a form of currency. These days, there are many different cryptocurrencies that focus on solving different problems. Some cryptocurrencies offer faster transactions than Bitcoin, while some are completely anonymous. Others are interoperable between different blockchains. There are even a select group of cryptocurrencies called stablecoins, which offer a fixed value to avoid volatility. It's debatable whether any coin has truly surpassed Bitcoin, as the original cryptocurrency boasts a market cap that dwarfs all other coins. That said, there are plenty of coins with major potential that offer features you won't find on the Bitcoin network. Regardless of whether you're a Bitcoin maximalist or an Ethereum futurist, it's clear that cryptocurrency has a tremendous amount of value and will play an important role for commerce in years to come. There's never been a better time to get involved with cryptocurrency. The barriers to entry are lower than ever before, and it's exceptionally easy to invest in the market. That said, entering the crypto space should be done with caution, and like any investment, you should always be sure to educate yourself so you can do so intelligently to make sure that your experience is a positive one. If you're thinking about diving into the world of crypto, head on over to CryptoVantage.com, where we've got tons of resources and guides to help you along every step of your crypto journey. Since it's impossible to go through all of the ins and outs of cryptocurrency in just one video, I'll be sure to leave some great links in our resources section down below so you can continue exploring. Don't see a link to what you're looking for? Leave your question in the comment section below, and as always, if you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more great crypto content. We have a lot coming your way. Thanks for tuning in.